The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Morning, fellas. Excuse me. Guys, good morning. Happy Friday, July 1st. Good morning. Good morning. Nick, good morning. Paul, Becky, Dennis, guys, Eddie, good morning to you, fellas. Guys, Jerry, it's Canada Day. Well, happy Canada Day. Jerry, good morning to you and Barbara. Guys, today is obviously the end of the week. It will begin a long weekend. The room will be obviously closed on Monday in observance of July 4th, which is actually Sunday. Happy 4th of July. Fireworks here are Sunday, but we are closed on Monday. I expect volume today to be atrocious. Trade accordingly. If you guys, the dogs are fine with the fireworks. They don't even pay attention to it. Not yours? Well, that's common though. If you guys are here on trial, although I suspect none of the remaining 3 trials, we do have one new member this week who was a trial, but the remaining 3, I think, fell out of the boat and have drowned somewhere along the way. But in the event that you are here on trial, good morning and welcome to you. Today will be the last day of your trial. If you elect not to join us, your link will be canceled within 5 minutes of me closing this room. In any event, U.S. government required disclaimer. Futures and options trading has large potential rewards, but also large potential risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the futures and options markets. Don't trade with money you can't afford to lose. This website is neither a solicitation nor an offer to buy or sell futures or options. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those discussed on the website. Past performance of any trading system or methodology is not necessarily indicative of future results. CFTC Rule 4.41, hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Since trades have not been executed, results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are also subject to the fact that they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. This presentation is for educational purposes only. The opinions expressed in this presentation are mine and mine alone. All trades presented should be considered hypothetical and should not be expected to be replicated in a live trading account. Last but not least, past performance is not indicative of future results. The fact that I may or may not be in a trade does not lend more or less credence to any trade. Please trade according to your own accounts and please trade according to your tolerance for risk. There's your disclaimer. Let's look at some charts. You would have never guessed what, Tommy? That he screwed up Switzerland and Sweden? Was he riding a bike and chewing gum at the same time? Guys, I don't know if anybody is aware, but as we have ended the second quarter, I will just give you some numbers. There's first target on crude. I like the reversal on crude. As we've ended the second quarter, here are some cuds for you to chew on. Savings are at a 14-year low. Personal savings, 14-year low. Credit card debt approaching $16 trillion, highest ever. Highest ever. Stock market just ended the second worst half of the year ever. The worst is 1970. Real estate, there's 2 targets. real estate at an all-time high, rents at an all-time high, inflation at a 41-year high. And if there's somebody in this room that voted for Biden, I would love for you to tell me what you're enjoying about his presidency. What you're really happy with. And if anybody that voted for Biden says to me this is Trump's fault, I'm throwing you out of the room. I'm dead serious. Not to mention the border crisis. I can go on and on, but let's just talk about how it's affecting us. The border may not affect somebody, right? I mean, most people, many people may not pay attention to what's going on at the border. I mean, so that may be a non-event to them. But if anybody here I don't know that I have anybody in this room that voted for Joe Biden. But if I do, I would love to know what you're enjoying about this current administration, where you think that this is a better environment. I mean, tell me about your IRAs if you have one. Eddie lives by the southern border and it's a nightmare. Man, I'll tell you, if I lived in Texas, I'd be policing my backyard myself. Morning, Tom. And for the record, you guys know I did not love Trump. I didn't love Trump the person, but I surely liked his policies. So it's not like I'm a Trump fanatic. I don't have a Trump flag in my front lawn. I don't have a Trump sticker on my car. But let's just talk money. Let's just talk how it's affecting everyday Americans. And if anybody has the balls to tell me this is Trump's fault, literally you will not be in this room next week. I'll give you your money back and you can go someplace else. Because this guy is a clown. This guy is a clown. This whole administration is a clown. It's a joke. I mean, people are getting killed. Seriously, this is no joke. We have friends of ours, husband and wife. You know, my wife is involved in the Humane Society. And we just had our benefit. They do a benefit every year for it. And the tickets are $125 each. So $250 a couple to go get horrific chicken or even worse, tofu. But, it's for the benefit of the animals in the shelter. They do an auction and stuff like that. So the money goes to the shelter. We have friends that told us they could not afford to go. They could not afford $250. So my wife and I bought their tickets. She volunteers at the shelter with my wife. And they couldn't afford it with inflation, gas, childcare, etc. Well, fortunately, or pray God, the Republicans take back the House and or the Senate in November and basically end this. He'll be a lame duck for 2 years. He won't get the left, the liberal left will get nothing done in 2 years. It'll just be a he said, she said, Republicans this, Republicans that, Democrats this, It'll be a back and forth tennis match. Listen, honestly, I hope they don't impeach him. I don't want him impeached. You want Kamala Harris as your president? Well, that's what'll happen if Biden weren't there. The question is, if we kick the hornet's nest with Roe versus Wade, I hope they don't wake up the wall. Yeah, but here's the thing with Roe versus Wade, as I understand it. Okay, as I understand it, and I've done some reading. I don't claim to be a legal scholar. Okay, but even when Ruth Bader Ginsburg was alive, and for years, she even said that the ruling in Roe versus Wade was flawed, that the law was flawed, that it should, in fact, go to the states. And what these liberals, these lunatic liberals, are missing is no law, nothing has been taken from them. By the power of the vote, right? They have the ability to vote in their state elections for abortion or not, late-term abortion or not, or whatever the case may be. They have that right still. What was lost to them? They scream, well, women's rights, women's body, women's. Okay, great, but you still have the same rights. All right, now Gold took along. After chopping me out, I let it take the long. I don't know. I'm not a woman, and maybe I'm missing something, but this is ridiculous. And I may be insulting women that are in the room, and that's not my intent. And maybe I am, Marcia. So tell me what I'm missing. And admittedly, I am pro-life. Admittedly. So I am obviously biased in my opinion, which does not make my opinion right. I want that to be clear. I don't profess that my opinion is correct, but I will say this. I do not believe that the government, Supreme Court or otherwise, has the right to regulate my life. Meaning, if they have the right to mandate, let's just say Roe versus Wade, that abortion is legal, right? Well, then do they have the right to mandate that I can't own a gun? Or do they have the right to say you can't drive a car? I don't believe in giving power to the government on any level. So part of it, Marcia, part of my belief, there's first target on the gold dot. We got the short here on crude. Targets 1 and 2 hit and filled. We got the short here on the long here on gold, which was a loss. And then we've got this long here on gold, which went to first target and then came back to break even, but we'll probably get second target. Okay, thank you, Ricky. All right, fellas, I'm going to take my breakfast break. I will be back in like 20. This NASDAQ isn't even close. Disregard my chart, guys. Disregard my chart. I'll tell you, Ninja's a disgrace. Just a disgrace. NVIDIA puts now bidding 250. 250. ES is accurate. There's an ES bot trade. Trade NVIDIA puts as you see fit. Anybody that's in NVIDIA puts, trade them as you see fit. SPX calls 38.25s. They're 560. We'll get up through. First target only here, guys. I'm watching SPX. Out on the runner on ES. Let me see my damn chart, fellas. We're flat on the NASDAQ at 72, 73, 74. Break of VWAP, candle close. You want the short. Give me the close. Give me the close. Close. Something like a little lag. I'm lagging like a son of a bitch here, fellas. Lagging like a son of a gun. Targets are hit. Well, take your profits if you want. We're up $1,000 on the trade. $1,000. This is totally a joke. Ninja's an insult. Seriously, an insult. It's an insult. I know. Third-party indicators. I know. Where's my chart? All right, so we're getting a pullback here in the ES. We're back to 75. Holding support at 75. NVIDIA puts are huge. They're a triple. Triple. This is why I watch other platforms. You wait for the close, Eddie. Take the order flow course. Next order flow class is in September. We're at 445. This isn't even close, guys. We're at 445. Your DOM is probably correct. My charts are not. Nice job, Chuck, for a lottery trade. What'd you sell them at? I got 340 from $1.54. 510. Nice. What'd you pay for them? 147. I paid $1.54. Nice. It is nice. Not a bad trade, guys. I've missed a few, but by and large, killing these option trades. I got to be long ES, fellas. We back tested 75 VWAP. NASDAQ. Very strong green delta. Watch your close back over to VWAP. ES support should be 70. All right, I just bought 3810 calls, SPX, 3810 calls. I paid $670. 3810s. If we can get above 85 again, we start moving. ES needs to get above 85. Come on, ES. 85. Today, July 1st. They're 860 already. Here we go. Here we go. We're going to 3820. We're going to 38. ES is blowing up. Here we go. Boom. Anybody buy 3810s? Trade them as you see fit. Trade them as you see fit. You're in the money. NASDAQ, I told you, watch it above VWAP. We're at 500 again, guys. You want to be long NASDAQ. We're at 495. Boy, this lag is just really pissing me off. 505. We get above 540, we're going to blow up. 517. $522 again, same spot. We got to take out the swing high here at 530. Come on, NASDAQ. This isn't accurate, guys. Target filled on something. I'm not paying attention. Your SPY calls are up 50%. Trade them as you see fit. Trade them as you see fit. SPY calls if you bought them. I'm long NASDAQ trying to get this sucker over 35, and then we rock it. Over 35, we rock it. Come on, NASDAQ, stop being a chooch. 1,800 buyers. If NASDAQ gets over 35, she's going to blow like a beast. Like a beast. Something's getting targets. I'm assuming crude. Yep, crude. Yeah, give up on this NASDAQ, dudes. NASDAQ cannot get over 35. It just cannot get over those pivots, even with 1,800 buyers. Fudger. Back to VWAP 88. 490. Come on, NASDAQ. Let's go. Back over 500. It's trying like hell, guys. If NASDAQ gets above 35, she'll go. I'm long NASDAQ. Nice job, Ken. Oh, here we go. Come on, push, baby. Push. Push. Come on. Just 15 more points and this thing blows up. Back to 20. Man, just can't do it. Just can't do it. Come on. Bot trade on the NASDAQ bot. There we go. 28. Yeah, baby. Come on. NASDAQ bot got both targets. Here we go. 38. We blew it. We got it. Man, I held that from 20 all the way down. Woo! Take your if you guys are in the SPX calls, you guys have a double, a Duval. Trade them as you see fit. You doubled. If you bought NQ, way up. Trade them as you see fit. You guys can roll SPX to 38.25s or 38.50s. Anybody take the calls? Here comes your 38.10 target. How's that for a trade? How's that for a trade? How about this NASDAQ blowing up? Blowing up. Anybody take them? SPX? Anybody? We almost hit 38.10. NASDAQ, you're up 40 handles, fellas. Trade them as you see fit or more. All right, guys. Resistance here, 38.10. Okay, Mimi. Nice job, fellas. Anybody take NASDAQ or the ES long? Anybody? NASDAQ or ES? You guys should be making money. You can buy 38.50s if you want. Nice job, Lori. Okay, Randy, Marcia. Nice! 2,000 on the ES, Marcia. Daily goal in. NQ. Got the long above VWAP. All right, fellas. It's a blessed fourth. It's a blessed fourth. Just got your first fund. All right. Hang on, guys. So hang on. All right. So this is July 1st. Damn it. We have to start a new one. Yeah, this is nothing. I don't know what that is. Hang on, guys. And here we go. Told you. So we ended yesterday, or the month, with 71 for the month. How many, Ken? 3? $1,000 on the NQ. Nice job, Sharon. And Paul got his first. All right, that's 2 already. Here we go, guys. 2 for the month. 71 last month. Nice job, Arjan. Made more than $2,000. Nice. Got our guys. We hit 38.10. We got the exit. Gary, you nice job. Another funded trader. All right, fellas. You just banged them out, guys. Banged them out. All right, now sit tight. Just had my in total 5th funded account. All right, Arjan's got another one. Gary's got another one. Woo! 5 today, fellas. 538. I'm finally caught up on NASDAQ. Yep. Anybody that wants to get another Apex account, they're running 80% off. Please email me. I have an affiliate link that I would appreciate if y'all used. It is my brother's. He is a member in the room. And I would appreciate it if you used it. It would be a favor to me. Is there anybody that did not take any trades? Is there anybody that's still sitting here? We're going to 38.30. Send me an email, guys. Anybody that wants them, just email me and I'll send you the affiliate link. Yep. Thank you, John. Thank you, Sapphire. Patrick, thank you. Appreciate it, guys. Guys, we're going up. 2,700 buyers. We're going up. Yes. How's that for target? Above here, we trade 38.30. 38.30. Here goes NASDAQ again. New day high. Booyah, baby. Booyah. Guys, 38.30 calls now on SPX. 38.30. Anybody sell their 38.10s? You can hold them. If we go to 38.30, those 38.10s are worth 6, 7x. Boom, diddy, boom, 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 boom. I don't ever want to find out how the other half lives, folks. NASDAQ target today, 11,680. 11,680 NASDAQ target, 11,680. Buy-side global is not having this much fun. They can't trade. They can't trade. Of course, in their defense, they don't trade any worse than the other 98% of the rooms out there. Nice job, Tim. They do have the chipper. I don't have a wood chipper. I can go buy one today. I'll go to Ace and get a wood chipper. So let's take a look at where we're at. All right, YM bot got target 1. Target 2. Let's see if we get anything else to roll. We're still not shorts. We're not short. We could go into shorts. ES is coming to 81. ES is coming to 72. 72. 72. NASDAQ is going to break VWAP. That's your short below VWAP. If we come below 426, this is going to get murderized. Big sellers in the ES, big buyers in the NASDAQ. Target on the ES, 75 and then 65. 75, well, we're at 75. 65 next level down if this doesn't hold. Watch your close below VWAP, fellas, if you want more trades. Sellers in the ES, and that there's your candle close, fellas. I'm late, but got them both. Candle close. Got targets. Booyah! Anybody get that a little earlier than me? 73.50. Yeah, she's dead, Greg. She's dead now. Just got to take out that 15-minute low previous candle. at what looks like 70. Coming to 57, next target, guys. If you're short NASDAQ, hit both my targets. Next target down is 57. Who got that below VWAP? It's coming. It just held that damn. I'm sure you're looking at the same thing, but all it did was hold this for a moment. A moment in time. It's dead. It's done. It's going to follow the ES. All right. Bot trade short on NASDAQ. I don't know why that's. There we go. Watch the break back below VWAP, guys. Short NASDAQ. You're below VWAP. Short NASDAQ. Short NASDAQ. Come on. Boom! That's what we do. Target filled. Target filled. Failed several times here, even with a positive delta. It's not good. It's not good. It's holding the top of the 10-minute cloud. That's it. It's all right. This is what we wanted, guys. Anybody short? It's coming down, guys. I'm telling you, it's coming down to 57. Anybody short? ES is coming to 65. We'll see if this holds and starts another move up. If not, I'm going to get long as hell at 37.40. Who's short NASDAQ? 57 is target one. Boom. 57. Come on, you rat bag. 2 more ticks? Seriously? All right, I missed by 2 ticks. That's where they take some dough off. Let's go to a 60-minute. Here we are in the hourly, guys. If you can see this, you should be able to. Let's get rid of this. We didn't get above 10. We're back testing this breakout, hourly long. Guys, we caught this whole move on the SPX calls. Yep, CL below. Look, you're CL. Look, we're breaking support. We had a bear flag here, which I've not paid any attention to. Is anybody not making money? You're very welcome, Chris. Is it your birthday on the 4th? Born on the 4th of July. Very nice. Have a happy birthday, brother. NASDAQ's on the cusp of blowing down. Well, there you got it right here. I said 39. I'm short 38.75. If we take out this 15-minute swing at 16, this is coming 350. This is coming 350. It's got to take out. It's got to take out that swing, 15-minute swing at 16. You can short that as well, Paul. You can short 16. ES trying to hold 60. All right, guys. If you want to SPX puts, 37.40 SPX puts with a stop on a move SPX back above 65. SPX puts. NASDAQ, if it takes this 15-minute swing at 16, and I'm sure it will. A lot of sellers in the ES. We could come down. Jesus, I got a target now at 37.20. SPX puts 37.40s if you guys are interested. All right, I paid $8.75 for SPX puts. It's got to break below 60, but I think it will. 37.40s I bought, fellas. Target one filled. Let's go. Target two filled. Booyah, baby. Let's get target three. Anybody using the new settings on the bot? This thing's beast. Guys, honestly, you could trade just this ES bot and get funded. I don't think you need any of the other ones, to be honest with you. All three targets hit. Beast! So here we are at, since we came in. All right, here's 8 o'clock. This is where we came in. One for one. Losing trade here. 1 for 2. 2 for 3. All three targets. 3 for 4. I mean, if you want to trade 3 contracts, I'm trading 4. 3 for 4. 2 off at first target, though. Bots are up 975 today, guys. And they are now all off. Anybody have any questions? Anything, guys? Brad, you as well. You see all this talk about us joining the Big Ten? Have you seen that, Brad? Yeah, agreed. Have a good weekend, Eddie. Guys, be blessed. Happy 4th. Be safe. Hopefully, you're not going to get